Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 28 April 2024. Title of Murli. The call of the time is to become a bestower. Bap Dada said, "This Brahman birth is for remembrance and service. You are not one who serves only for 4 or 6 hours, but you are a divine companion who plays a part on the stage of service every second. Just as remembrance has to be continuous, service should also be continuous. Now everyone should check, do we maintain a balance of remembrance and service? If there is 100% service, then remembrance should also be 100%. As long as the soul and body are on the stage, they are together and cannot be separated. Similarly, remembrance and service also remain together. Only those who remain in remembrance will be givers like the Father." Baba further said, "According to the present time, the memory of benevolence has to be further increased in every child at every time. No matter what is someone like, I have to give to everyone. Some may respect, some may not, but I have to give. If there are any behavior or words which are of no use to you, or do not seem good to you, then do not take it into your heart and mind, that is, do not imbibe it. But keep good feelings and good wishes, keep on becoming a giver." At last Baba said, "Just as the Father cannot live without remembrance and service, similarly you children also have to remain in continuous service. Whether you serve through thoughts, words or deeds, that is, through relationships and contacts, just remain a giver, i.e. a recipient of service every second. But remember, only by keeping the heart always clean can we become companions of the Father in continuous service." Blessing for today. May you be a contented soul who experiences every relationship in the One and merges the One Comforter of hearts in your heart. Details are: the brain is a storage place for the knowledge, but the heart is the place for the beloved. Some lovers use their heads a lot, but Bap Dada is pleased with those who have honest hearts. Therefore, it is the heart and the comforter of hearts who know the experience of the heart. Those who serve and have remembrance with their hearts have to work less hard and they experience greater contentment. Those who work with their hearts constantly sing songs of contentment. They experience every relationship in the One according to the time. Slogan is, "At Amrit Vela, sit with a plain intellect and you will be touched with new methods for doing service." Om Shanti.